Hello everybody, I actually found a virtual piano app online. I'll show you the app later, but I'll use this for making this YouTube video. It's a tutorial for like how to do the basic C major scale, the basics of piano. So let me get started. First you need to go to the third C of your piano. It's also set here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do the C major scale, which is only C, D, E, F, G. So don't worry about A and B. But yes, you should probably name your notes if you're a beginner. So yeah, just the tutorial. So yeah, let's get started. So first, you want to play C. C. Then D. E. F. G. F. E, B, C. Don't worry about the black keys. You can. That's not for today's lesson. And then you can pause the video and play it again. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Like that. To note the C, it'll be 3 black notes. Then skip half a white and then 1 white, 2 blacks. 1 white and then 2 blacks. That means 1 white, 2 blacks, and then a couple space. A space means the note before the 2 blacks in a row. That means this key right behind those is middle C. So then yes, I'll show you the app now. You can pause the video, rewind it at 0.25 speed, and do it with me that time. But yes, this is the app. It's Virtual Piano Simulator. It's a very good app. So yes, you should definitely try it out. Thank you for watching. Bye.